At the end of this lesson, students will be able to understand a conversation in which someone meets new people at work, greet people at different times of the day, use appropriate phrases when meeting new people, use appropriate intonation when meeting people, read and understand a personal profile, use capital letters and full stops correctly, write their own personal profile.
Track 1.22 Part 1
Good morning, Electric Blue Technology.
Hi, my name's Sophia Taylor. It's my first day.
Sophia? Sophia Taylor from Canada.
Yes, that's right.
Come on in.
Track 1.23
Hi. Hello. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening.
Track 1.24 Part 2
Hello.
Good morning.
Welcome, Sophia. I'm David.
Nice to meet you, David.
Nice to meet you too. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
Oh, fine, thanks. Okay, well, come with me, please.
Okay.
Track 1.25 1
My name's Sophia Taylor.
2
I'm David.
Track 1.26
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm fine, thanks.
Track 1.27 A
I'm fine, thanks. I'm good, thank you.
B
I'm okay, thank you. Oh, not bad, thanks.
Good morning, Electric Blue Technology.
Hi, my name's Sophia Taylor. It's my first day.
Sophia? Sophia Taylor from Canada.
Yes, that's right.
Come on in.
Good morning.
Welcome, Sophia. I'm David.
Nice to meet you, David.
Nice to meet you too. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
Oh, fine, thanks. Okay, well, come with me, please.
Okay.